Welcome to my channel, Garage Auto Fix. Ever wondered about the heart of your vehicle, the engine, and how it keeps your car moving? Let's unravel this mystery together, piece by piece. At the center of it all lies the engine block, a robust structure crafted from iron or aluminum. This is the bedrock of your car's engine. Inside it, you'll find several crucial components, including the cylinders, which are the powerhouses of your engine. The number of these cylinders can vary from 4 to 12, contingent on the vehicle's size and power requirements. Inside these cylinders are the pistons. These small yet powerful parts move up and down within the cylinders, creating a force that turns the crankshaft. This rotational motion is the driving force that moves your vehicle forward. The crankshaft, in turn, is connected to the camshaft via the timing belt. The camshaft controls the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves, ensuring the right amount of air and fuel enters and exits the cylinders at the right time. Next up, we have the spark plugs. These are the fire starters of your engine. They ignite the air and fuel mixture within the cylinders, causing a small explosion that drives the pistons down and turns the crankshaft. But what about the excess heat generated by all this activity? That's where the radiator comes in. It cools the engine coolant, which is then circulated back into the engine to keep it from overheating. The oil pan, sitting at the bottom of the engine, plays a crucial role too. It holds the oil that lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and wear. And finally, the engine's control unit, or the ECU. This computerized component manages the engine's operations, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. So, to summarize, an engine is a complex piece of machinery with several key parts working in harmony. The engine block houses the cylinders, which contain the pistons that move up and down to turn the crankshaft. The crankshaft, connected to the camshaft by the timing belt, controls the intake and exhaust valves operation. The spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture, driving the pistons, while the radiator keeps the engine cool. The oil pan lubricates the engine's moving parts, and the ECU oversees it all, ensuring optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Understanding the engine and its components can give you a new appreciation for the marvel of engineering that sits under your vehicle's hood. It's a symphony of parts working together, creating the power that fuels your journeys, wherever the road may take you.